Hi scientists, you should have your supplies. You should know what you are going to use as Earth in your model, and you should know what you are going to use as the Sun in your model. Once you know what your supplies are, and you know how you're going to show rotation, and you know how you're going to show revolution, you are ready to go to Flipgrid. You're going to click on the name of your homeroom teacher. Today I'll click on Hubbard, and it takes you to the Flipgrid site. Once you log in, scroll down, and there are directions. So I want you to please read the directions. I'll read them now, but they are there for you when you get there. In 3 minutes or less, show me rotation, then show me revolution. Use items around your house as the sun and earth in your model. Use science vocabulary in your video to show your understanding of rotation and revolution. Once you've read the directions and you know what your video is going to be, and you have a plan in your head, then you're ready to do the plus sign. So we click on the plus. Okay, so in my model, my dog is the sun and earth. Okay, now don't tell anybody that I have the dog on the counter, and at your house, if this is not allowed, don't do it. Don't say Mrs. Hubbard did it. All right, so, and if your pet does not want to participate, don't force your pet. No pets should be harmed in the filming of any of these videos. Okay, so I'm ready to go. I'm gonna scoot the sun out just a little bit. He's good to go. Got the earth ready to go. Okay, so, and remember I've got 3 minutes or less, so I really want to have a plan. Here we go. All right, in my model, I have earth and I have the sun. So first I'm going to start with earth, and I'm going to just ignore the sun. We'll get it back. I'm going to show you rotating. So when earth is rotating, this is what a rotation looks like. So this is earth rotating. Okay, now for revolution, I need the sun. So here's the sun, and a revolution is the earth is going to go around the sun. Now the sun doesn't really spin like mine is, but so earth, this is revolution. So there you have it, rotation and revolution. Okay, then if you want to redo it, you can redo it, and then you go through those different steps. I'm gonna put the sun down. Okay, so we click next. All right, in my model, I have earth and I have the sun. So first I'm going to start with earth. Take a selfie. So I took a selfie with earth, maybe add a sticker, do a little happy face, put it on earth. Next. You don't need a title and you don't need a link, and you'll click submit video. Once you have submitted your video, you are finished for work. You have until Monday evening to complete this. So this isn't due until Monday evening.